Well, as you saw, it's been dry and cool this month of May, and we're going to change things around a little bit as we head into June. But which of those are we going to change around? 13 weather ball is red. Here's a hint. That means warmer weather ahead. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures made it into the low 70s in many of the inland locations where there were a few clouds up to the north and along the lake shore. Only in the mid and upper 60s. That 73 matched our forecast high for today from yesterday. And that is a bullseye. Great way to end up the month of May. And we have done 4 days in a row within 3 degrees. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row where it's been cooler than average. We're going to start to put a long string of warmer than average days coming up. What you're seeing overhead right now, these high clouds pretty much obscuring the sun right now, and these are tops of some dissipating showers down here in Illinois. All of that is going to stay to our south. You can see some scattered thunderstorms that have popped up over the northwest counties coming out of the UP. I think those are going to dissipate. If they do make it down, they'll be into northern lower Michigan later on tonight before they completely dissipate. Head outside, weather permitting, you might actually see the International Space Station right around 10:30 this evening. You want to face south this time around and watch it move from right to left. It'll be up for about 5¼ minutes. Not real sure we're going to get some clearing enough to see this though later on tonight. It's very quiet. Upper level winds are starting to shift a little bit. For a good portion of earlier this year, we had winds out of the northwest. It's going to kind of continue to be in that direction up until about Thursday. So with some sunshine, temperatures will just get back to where they should be for this time of year. But look at what happens over the weekend. We get a big ridge of high pressure building over much of the eastern 3/4 of the country, which means everywhere in here it is going to be very warm and dry. Any precipitation will stay well to our west, so that means we're going to start to warm up. Now the 30-day temperature outlook, which is updated at the end of every month, this is for June. You can see that the weather pattern will shift a little bit from being cool here in the early part of June to warmer, and that will translate all the way into the northeastern part of the U.S. So we can expect temperatures to be warmer than 75 and 83 throughout the month of June. In terms of precipitation, equal chances for precipitation during the month of June. Almost made it with the pollen here throughout the day today. Forecast for tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Temperatures around 70 to the low 70s along the lake shore. Up north, you'll make the low and mid 70s under mostly sunny skies. And from Grand Rapids southward, highs will be in the mid and upper 70s with plenty of sunshine. 13 on your side forecast. Upper 70s next few days and then climbing into the 80s through the weekend. Very little chance of any rain next 10 days. And in fact, it's going to be hot next week with highs 90+ Monday through Thursday.